Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to find Weverse digital code. First of all, open the Weverse application. You can see over here Weverse has been opened. So if you want to find the digital code, tap on the more icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. After you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Right over here, you'll be able to find several options like order history, event entries, and purchase media. Tap on this option, purchase media, that you can see at third. Now after that, you'll be able to see your purchase media over here. You can see two options, paid content, digital code. Tap on this option, digital code. Now you'll be able to see all of your digital codes over here. So like this, you'll be able to find it. So that is how you find digital code in Weverse. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.